Here at Crown Motors, we take great pride in displaying character in everything we do. For over 30 years, our team has been driven by these core values:
honesty,
integrity,
fairness,
teamwork,
trust,
support for the community,
a balance of faith, family, and work.
This is a challenging time for us all, but at Crown, we're taking this time to innovate and offer you new ways to service and purchase a vehicle. Your safety is most important, so we continue to take more steps every day to keep you safe. Should you choose to stay home, we have options for you. We are offering pickup and drop-off services, contactless sales and service at the dealership. We are offering large discounts, low interest rates, and deferred payments on all our vehicles. Customers are loving this new way to buy a car from home. You can create a deal completely online at crownmotors.com. Contact one of our guides who will walk you through the process, and we'll deliver the vehicle to your home. The Crown family is here to help in any way we can, and we will continue to support this community.